Hello everyone, in today's video tutorial we are going to learn how we can compute totals while working with tables found in a database. To follow this tutorial we are going to work with our database. If you don't have this database known as workers wage, you can go ahead and create a new database. So we shall click this database to open it, then we shall open our table. So this is the table that we are going to work with in this tutorial, and make sure that all the changes that we make to this table are saved. While working with tables in a database, we can still perform some computing. So to do that, we are going to work with this home tab. From the home tab, we shall go to the records group. So from the records group, we shall click on this option for totals. So when we click on that option, if we are keen enough, we can see that there is a new feature added into our table. So this feature enables us to perform a number of computing. Now, if we want to count the number of records that we have in this field for first name, what we do is to just click in this cell below. Now this cell below has got this feature. So this arrow, when we click on it, it can allow us to do the counting of the records found in this field. So we click on count. So when you click on it, it will count all the records and return for you the result as 10. So that is the use of that count function. So we can still count if we want to know how many records are there. So you still use this very cell. You click there. You will find only two options because these are text. So with text you cannot perform any calculation apart from this counting. So when you click count, the records will be counted from this first cell where we see 1 up to the last. So the result is displayed for us. Then if we use this field for wage total. Now under wage total, we would like to see how can we calculate if we wanted to get the sum of all these wage total. So to do that, still under this field, under this cell, we shall click there, then use this arrow. So when we click on that arrow, this time round we can see a number of options. We can perform addition, we can get the average, we can count the number of records in those cells, we can get the maximum value, we can get the minimum value, and these other two options. So to add up all these values, we shall click on sum. So when we click on sum, we have the sum performed but not displayed for us. Like we said in our previous tutorial, we now have to widen our column. So when we widen the column, we can now see the total sum displayed for us in that very cell. Then under this field for already paid, we would like to see the maximum amount of money that is already paid. So to do that, we shall click in this cell, then we use this arrow to get the maximum or the largest amount under this field. Then that means we shall use maximum. So we click on maximum, then it will display for you the results. If you want to get the minimum, then you click and then go to minimum, then it will get for you 10,000 as the minimum. You can also still perform some other calculation like getting the average. So when you click that, then the average will be calculated for you. So that's how we can perform calculations in table using this option of totals. Hope you found this video tutorial useful to you. That's it for now. See you in our next tutorial.